haunting audio of what scientists believe a black hole might sound like has been released for the first time. The misconception that there is no sound in space originates because most space is a vacuum, providing no way for sound waves to travel, the organization said. Here it's amplified and mixed with other data to hear a black hole. NASA explained the sound waves in the clip were being heard 144 quadrillion and 288 quadrillion times higher than their original frequency. The sound waves were captured more than 200 million light-years away from us, according to CNET. NASA's tweet was quickly flooded with comments from users pointing out how terrifying they believe the sound is. "That's by far the creepiest sound I have ever heard," one user said. "That sound is terrifying," another added. It comes as scientists released shots on Monday of the solar system's biggest planet. Jupiter's Great Red Spot, a storm big enough to swallow Earth, stands out brightly alongside countless smaller storms. "We hadn't really expected it to be this good, to be honest," she added in a statement.
And finally, thank you all for watching the video. Please like and comment your opinion so we can discuss together. Don't forget to subscribe, press the bell to follow and update many other interesting news. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.